Hello. In this video, I will be examining the MACD True Strength Index Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. If we subject the MACD indicator to smoothing twice with different periods, we arrive at this blue line, which is the very indicator we are examining. The orange line is the signal line of this indicator, which is obtained by smoothing this blue line with a period that we specify in the input. We can use this indicator for trading in such a way that we enter a position.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
And when the blue line crosses the signal line, and exit the position when it crosses back. For example, here we can enter a buy position, and here we can exit this position. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the moving average fast period in the MACD indicator. The second option is the moving average slow period in the MACD indicator, and the third option is the signal line period in the MACD indicator. The next two options are the smoothing period of the MACD indicator, which we can specify here. The higher we set these values, the smoother the lines will be and more noise, like in this area, will be filtered out. The last option is the period of our signal line, which is this orange line. We can set these values according to the symbol we are trading on. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. As you can see, the settings in the MT4 version are similar to the settings in the MT5 version. In conclusion, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.